The universe is vast, with a possible diameter of an observable area of 93 billion light-years, which is definitely not its limit. Intriguingly, no single part of it is empty. Whether it's planets, black holes, or galaxies, there's always something we can find in this mysterious realm. Today, we'll go beyond our solar system and dive deep into the mysteries of exoplanets known for their unique characteristics. From planets that can be habituated to planets on the brink of destruction, we'll explore everything about these horrifying celestial objects. So hop in the spaceship and let's start our engine to begin the journey through the cosmos. Number 1. Korat 7b. Korat 7b is a super-Earth known for its harsh atmosphere where life is impossible. It may share the same terrestrial characteristics as our Earth, but there's absolutely no way for life to exist on this hell. The planet was first discovered in February 2009 in the Monoceros constellation. The astronomers found the planet as a place where extreme hotness and coldness were constantly in battle. The extreme atmosphere is all thanks to its phenomenal closeness to its K-type host star, which is only about 489 light-years away. It's obvious why this exoplanet is hot, but the question is, why is it cold though? It's due to a rare phenomenon known as the tidal lock, in which a planet is tidally locked in one rotation that perfectly synchronizes with its host star. This results in one side of the planet facing towards its star all the time, causing a hellish inferno on that side while the opposite side is trapped in perpetual icy darkness. The day side experiences unimaginable heat that even turns rocks into vapors that fall back on the surface. You can also name it the rocky rain. The planet is known to have an incredible mass, equivalent to 4.07661 Earths. Its radius is also known to be 1.681 times that of Earth's, making it a very large planet. Regarding the orbiting duration, Korat 7b shows a remarkable speed by displaying a very short orbital period of only 0.9 days, which is equivalent to around 20 hours. Due to its rare conditions, it's safe to say that Korat 7b is undoubtedly one of the most dangerous places to be in the entire universe. The discovery of such exoplanets intrigues the scientists to find more interesting things like the one we're about to show you now. Number 2. J1407b. We all know what Saturn is, right? The sixth planet of our solar system, also known as the second largest gas giant after Jupiter. Have you ever wondered what Saturn would look like if it were on steroids? Well, it will somewhat look like this. Welcome to J1407b, aka the Super Saturn, an exoplanet in the Centaurus constellation. A mysterious celestial that was discovered in 2012 caught our astronomers' attention. The University of Rochester discovered this gigantic exoplanet around 433.8 light-years away from Earth. It's a gigantic masterpiece known to be 200 times bigger than Saturn and is surrounded by a beautiful ring system that is 640 times the extent of the rings found on our Saturn. The planet itself has 10 to 40 times Jupiter's mass, the largest planet in our solar system. Not so much big when it comes to J1407, right? J1407b is also known to be possibly the first brown dwarf with a phenomenal ring system. The planet itself orbits its parent star, 1 SWAS J140747 933945 6, or you can just call it V1400 Centauri. Unlike other planets, Super Saturn orbits in an oval shape, and aside from that, it also possesses 30-plus rings, which means if you replace our Saturn with it, it would be 10 times more visible through our naked eye in both day and night. When it comes to the atmosphere, the planet is known to be very hot, almost 1,000 to 2,000 degrees Celsius. The planet is believed to be over 16 million years old, which makes it a very young planet compared to the Sun and Earth, which are 4.5 billion years old. It's incredible to imagine that such unimaginable things can exist in our universe. J1407b is definitely something that we want to witness up close, but that would cost us our lives. Number 3. WASP-12b. What would happen to a planet that orbits its host star at an extremely close distance? Here's a simple answer. The planet will be doomed with no chance of survival, and WASP-12b proves what we just said now. The exoplanet WASP is known to be a hot Jupiter, discovered in April 2008. Unlike Earth, which takes 365.25 days to orbit the Sun, WASP only needs one, thanks to its close distance from its host star. But the short distance, which is only about 3.5 million kilometers, causes it to be tagged as a doomed planet. Well, that's because the planet is slowly being torn apart due to the unimaginable speed. Aside from that, the star's extreme heat is slowly devouring the poor planet. It's believed that the planet would completely vanish from existence in only 10 million years. WASP-12b is a gas giant that is twice the size of Jupiter. The temperature on its surface can reach 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is way too hot for life to exist in. Aside from everything, the unique thing about this exoplanet is its shape. WASP has the shape of an egg unlike any other, possibly due to its high orbiting speed and the intense gravitational pull of the star that stretches the planet into an egg-like shape. The planet is 1,200 light-years from Earth in the constellation Auriga, so if you want to go on a trip to see a dying planet, that's the address. Number 4. Captain B. Say hi to Captain B. The oldest known planet lies 13 light-years away from our Earth. It's known to be more than 11.5 billion years old, making it 2.5 years older than our Earth and a mere 2 billion years younger than the universe itself. Remember that the universe is known to have been created due to the Big Bang 13.8 billion years ago. At least, that's what the scientists say. Captain B and its newly discovered sister Captain C are known to orbit around a red dwarf called the Captain star. The Captain C is known to be extremely cold, making it impossible for life to exist on, but on the other hand, B is believed to be potentially a habitable planet. The Captain B is 5 times the size of our Earth, making it a super-Earth. Our astronomers discovered the planets thanks to the tiny wobbles generated by their gravitational tugs. These tugs were responsible for shifting the star's light, which was finally detected on the HARPS spectrometer in 2014 at a European observatory in Chile. Scientists were shocked by this discovery, especially because Captain B was located in the star's habitable zone where the planet could support the liquid water. Why water is the main concern? Well, it's because scientists believe that if there is water, life is also very much possible on a planet. Another intriguing thing is that Captain B completes its one orbit in only 48 Earth days, while its sister completes the orbit in 121 days. Maybe Captain B will be one of the places where we'll migrate when our Earth finally expires. Number 5. Kepler-10b. Kepler-10b was the first ever terrestrial planet discovered outside our solar system. The Kepler Space Telescope detected the planet from which it got its name. The planet orbits its star at a very close distance, about 20 times closer than our Mercury to the Sun. At such a short distance, it's pretty easy to expect what kind of atmosphere is found on this exoplanet. If you guessed hot, you're wrong because the planet is pure hell. Hot is a very soft word to describe the intense heat that can vaporize anything in way less than 0.1 second. The planet is believed to reach 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit during the daytime. The temperature is way hotter than the lava that is found on Earth. Aside from being extremely hot, the planet also emits radiation, which is just icing on top of being one of the most horrifying planets in the universe. The planet itself was discovered in 2011 and was known to be 4.6 times denser and 1.4 times the size of our Earth. Kepler-10b completes its orbit around its star in around 20 hours, and the best part is that it's nowhere near a habitable zone. Its mass is equivalent to 3.26 Earths, so even after being a terrestrial planet, this one sadly fits the definition of hell, not heaven. So that was the end of our journey, space enthusiasts. We're glad we could give you a glimpse of what lies beyond our solar system. We discovered some of the most unimaginable places, from planets that could become our new home to planets no different from hell. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Hit that like and subscribe button for similar content. Thanks for watching.